Hi everyone, with Georgi, Saturday, Fields Avenue, Angeles City. If you walk straight, it's already forbidden for tourists walking street or red street. It's already not allowed. Go with camera, with mobile phone. You hold your phone inside the bag. Not need to use. So it's already not allowed. Not allowed for tourists. Okay. That's why we walk with Georgi near Tequila Reef. And another bar. Another bar is what? Crystal Palace. And this Swiss chalet for sale. Happy hour right now. Happy hour. Crystal Palace. Hi. Happy hour today again. I walk this time with happy hour. Georgi. He's shy. Make us for sale. This is billiard. Georgi, you play billiard in this place, not? Did you try before? Many times, I know. This is ex-Tropics bar before, but now we sell luxury clothes. Hermes maybe, many, you know. Barboss. In Russia, Barboss is dog, yes? We call it dog. You say Barboss, yes? But Barboss in Russian language it means dog. So I say Barboss. Come inside. Dog, come inside. Interesting. No, sorry guys, it's just joke only. I'm joke today. I don't know why. Joke always. Because we go into CDC Park right now. We not interesting walk here. We show only for you. Only for our subscribers I walk here. And show to you. Also we going to ask about document. Maybe we already have document about filming in the Cialis also medical center here. Medical. Oh, I see police patrolling. Forbidden red street, walking street. And let's go, Georgi. I want to ask. Maybe already they have some document. Philly Sports Bar. Only Viagra sellers don't have girls. Girls stand near iHotel. They already prepare for hotel. I don't know why. Cherry Bar also. You can see this police. Right side police. And also active. Angeles City Tourist Information and Visitor Engagement. This is call it active. So you see, this is active. I switch off camera and ask about new rules again. 1 week ago I already asked. They said during the week they call to me. No one call to me. No one call to Shaira. Okay. Georgi, where Georgi? Georgi, can you hold camera? Okay, guys, I will go to active. Angeles City Information. And I will ask. Okay, I already talked with active. They said next week we try to find document, but they said it's maybe don't have document because problem. Girls, they say to me, girls afraid if someone filming and family no on this problem. I asking if girl inside the bar. If we inside, I said I not go to the bar inside. They said, oh, you not go to the bar? Yes, I just only walk straight and walking street, no, even not focus to, I just my camera straight and not focus to anyone. She said, it's okay, of course, but please, next week we can check documents. Okay, Georgi, let's go. And we're going to Georgi apartment. We take car and we're going to Clark, CDC Park. Soya bar. 70 pesos, soya bar. SS bar. SS bar, street foods also.
Oh no, I don't. Stop.
Sigasios sound bar. Sigasios. I don't know how to translate Sigasios. Wow, always noisy here, that's why I move. Kimchi restaurant, Kimchi Resto, Family KTV. Maybe Family KTV now close. Because if open, Shira always go to KTV in the Kimchi. She have friends in KTV. Singer. And boss, we know, boss good guy. He have family, Philippine wife. Natalia Hotel. MC Cafe. MC Hammer. Do you know MC Hammer music band, MC Hammer? This is MC Cafe.
Mind control.
Mind Control Cafe. Okay. Thank you. Oh, it's not safety. Children outside the car. Why? I see this. Don't have seat belt and children. I don't know why family not control. I forgot my thermos with hot water. I need hot water. Problem here only cold water. You can buy only cold. Excuse me? Okay, I don't want to show to you. Maybe you don't like. No, thank you. Trike not need. Trike not allowed to Clark CDC Park. Only motor or car? Only motor, car. Yes, not easy to drive car here and ride motor, not easy. $58.80. Same $58.80. Georgi, what better way to your apartment? Through Candy White Tower, maybe. Okay, I will in pedestrian line better. drugstore. This is drugstore here. You can buy medicine. So many street foods, very popular in the Philippines. Fish. Hello, tilapia. Barbecue. Only cold. I want hot water, hot drink. But in the Philippines only cold. You can drink only hot tea. Oh, hot coffee. Hot coffee, yes. Parking for 50 peso. Good business. Space for party. You can go to party.
Good business.
Good business. Yeah, I said.
Spend
So many millions spent and parking 50 peso. Very good. I said good business. Maybe, I don't know. I asked him before security. He said, I asked him, can you give me some document if I park car for 1 month? He said no. I don't know. Okay, Georgi, can you walk through the white tower candy? This is best way, guys. If this is best way, go to from the walking street. Like this is safety, because security here, security near white tower, and light, have light, and you turn. I can show to you and turn to the candy tower 3. So we walk with Georgi right now to Georgi apartment. I park my car near his place, and we take car and we drive to the CDC Park. Today in the Clark Global City starting music festival. Every year music festival with balloons also. Maybe 3 years ago we visit this festival with Georgi. We use motorcycle, scooter. So heavy traffic, so many people, even cannot buy ticket, because tickets you can buy only online, but already sold out, so we cannot see. And now maybe many people book the rooms in this area, because tomorrow continue music festival. That's why expected today many people in the Fields Avenue, in the Walking Street, everywhere, and traffic also. So, but now we're going to Clark, CDC Park. So see you in the next video in the park. Couscous laundry shop. Couscous. A good name, Couscous. Electric. Foreigner use electric. Good. In this road allowed. Room for rent. This one. Cheap. If you want, you can rent. Candy Tower. I know Candy Tower always fully booking, because Candy Tower very good rooms, comfortable. People who live in Candy Tower sometimes they not go to Walking Street. They know where I need to go. This is Savina Drive. Savina. So it's good way. I show to you already. We show to you, to our subscribers, good way to the candy, safety way. Always light have here. We already near Georgi luxury apartment. Luxury Georgi. Yeah, luxury. And we're going to Clark right now. See you in next video from the Clark. And thank you for watching, of course.